place is blacked out. I don't know if there's a power failure, but we give God the glory because I know you can hear me. But I want to start off by complaining. That guy at the bar, he doesn't respect me. I came in, I asked for water, he didn't give me water. May they sack you from your job in Jesus' name. I came in, you frustrated me, I wait there for 10 minutes, you tell me for deep care, but I promise you, that is your portion. But let me keep it moving, now that I have that one on my chest. I just want to find out who we have inside, because when I was sitting there, I realized that we have majority females inside. So ladies, if you are here today with your fellow female friends, can you make some noise? Ladies, if you are here with your lesbian sister, maybe it is lesbian day out for you. All of you will successfully burn in hellfire. What rubbish are you celebrating when we have mandates looking for spices? You are coming here holding hands. I saw two girls lip-sync at the back near the toilet. I said, God is definitely coming back soon. But I am not going to talk about that because, you know, I don't want to get smacked up outside. But let me keep it moving, You see. Do we have any relationship people inside? Anybody in relationship? Where are you? If you are proud, I'm talking about male and female relationships specifically. I don't mean woman to woman or man to man. I don't support such thing, but if you are here with opposite sex relationship, can you clap for yourself? Some people really didn't go to school. The girl that was clapping, she was next to her girlfriend. Does that make any sense? Can you listen before you respond? But let me keep it moving, I want to find out another thing inside this place. How many Caribbean do we have here? Caribbean? You know one thing I like about Caribbeans? Let me be honest with Caribbeans, because you people, I didn't used to like you before. As a retalk, I didn't used to like you. If I see you, I used to slap you anywhere I see you. But since I have changed now, I can tolerate you a little bit, you understand? Because you people used to do some things to me. I don't want to get into it, it's too emotional. I don't want to dig that thing again for myself. But I want to just congratulate you, Caribbean, because you people, on a very serious note, you are very talented. You are very talented for two reasons, for two things. Stupidity. You are talented for that, and you are also talented when it comes to sports. So I want to congratulate you for that, because not every country in the Caribbean has its talent. Do you have anybody from Barbados? That is exactly why they are not here, because they have nothing to showcase. I knew the answer to that question before I asked. I know they are not here. Anybody from St. Lucia? Next time, stay at home. Anybody else from Haiti? Don't lie, I know we have some Caribbean voodoo warriors inside this place. It's not only Africans that do it. I know Haiti, you specialize in witchcraft. My spirit is telling me at least 5 of you here are from Haiti. Anybody from Haiti? Nobody wants to own up, no problem. God is watching you. But let me keep it moving. You see, I want to ask something. Ladies, if you go to the cinema with a guy, if a guy tells you to come to the cinema, what are your expectations? Are you expecting him to pay for the hotel? You are a bastard of life. You are a real bastard, because you didn't even take time to digest the question. Your mouth, like a running tap, just open. If I take you to cinema, it is 50-50. As long as I buy your ticket, buy my popcorn. I'm not your father and I haven't put a ring on it, so don't expect too much from me. Madams, do you agree with me or am I talking nonsense? We give God the glory, continue to bark like a dog. But let me keep it moving, And one thing I want to ask is, ladies that are inside this place, if I'm not going to ask, I'm going to tell you a fact. If you like, believe it. If you don't, that's your problem. I don't give a damn. All I want to say is that from where I am standing, everybody that I can see, not man them because I'm not like that, but all you females, all of you are spies. But don't get it twisted. You see, we have spies and we have spies. You are spies. Nobody is clapped. I don't believe Spicy or SKD know any clap to teammates. Maybe they do, but they didn't invite them, and we give God the glory for that. But what I'm trying to say is, for all of you females that are here, that are fine, give yourself a round of applause. Now, the second question I want to ask you, please be honest with yourself, because we've already established that nobody is ugly here. I want to now know how many of you have been spices from the day you were born. That's the first question. How many of, okay, no problem. How many of you recently just became a spice? So we have some people that have upgraded from ugliness to spice. We give God the glory for that. I'm sure the mandems you know, when we were in school, we had some girls that were clapped. Nobody wants to talk to them. You see them, the other week you say, damn. Let me get to know you, but you forget you have insult them back inside the day. So you can't even go to them. But we give God the glory that nobody here is clapped. One thing I want to tell all of you ladies is that when you leave this place tonight, I need you to because remember I said we have spies and we have spies. Now, what will happen is that some of you ladies, you are going to have some encounters at the end of this event with some men. By the time you walk out of that door, I will break it down to you. This is exactly what is going to happen. Maybe you came in a batch of 7 or 8. From that batch of 7 or 8, 4 of you will be stopped. That is a fact. My spirit has just confirmed it for me. 4 of you will be stopped and approached by mandems. And they want to get to know you. It's as simple as that. Don't think you are bad. Humble yourself and just listen to what they have to say. Because if they slap you, it is your fault. That's the first thing. The second thing I want to say, if you are the unlucky friend that, maybe they didn't speak to you, please believe you are still a spice, but there is no mistake in them not talking to you. What you need to do is pray to God and find out the reason why they haven't stopped you. Don't be enemy of progress and not block them. When you see them speaking to your friend, just say, well, it's not my turn today, and walk away. Don't decide at that moment that is the time you want to go to the toilet with them, because that is enemy of progress behavior. So let me ask another question, ladies. If you know that whatever happens tonight, mandem are going to talk to you, say yes. You are not going to speak to anybody. How do you know? Who told you I spice? Go and close your mouth. Let me keep it moving. Hello, cameraman. What's your name? Come again. Tunde. Does your mom know you are here taking pictures? Does she know? No problem. Snap me, my brother. I don't want to insult you. You are from my place.